Okay, if you guys know my channel, you know that I built the grandkids a swing set before. Well, this is the crap that I have to put up with. Some adults that are in them kids' lives thought they would take the swing set and move it. And these adults have less intelligence than the children do. And the children are 9 months, 2 and 3. And they thought they could move the swing set by going up to about where that bar is and pushing in a downward force, and it would slide over. And then they did that on both sides, collapsing the tubes at the top where them little clamps and stuff are. I sent the dad a really nasty, the dad of the kid, I sent him a real nasty text. Them freaking adults that did that crap are not going to want to hear what I have to say. Now, I had a big pile of tubes. You see them tubes that are left there. And so I'm putting together what I can to get them kids a swing set. This pisses me off to no end that I have to do this kind of crap. Now you can see these have the hooks, and I was lucky I had this piece left. So I'm going to put 2 swing sets in this one, and I've got extra bracing up here. It's really sturdy. Now I know it's been in the dirt and crap, but I'm running out of tubing. This one, I drilled a hole through, clamped it on top, and then I put this piece out because I'm going to take the other swing set, chop it up, have some other things that are on it hang out over there, and I'm going to have a tube come over this. That's a 7/16 nut and bolt. I'll slide the tube over it, run a nut and bolt through it, and it'll stay locked in place. So that is a 1/2 inch bolt that goes through and clamps on the top, takes this piece and clamps it around that tube. This is braced up real good. For all the idiot people out there, and I'm talking billions and billions of damn people, to pick up and move a swing set, you pick it up there at the middle. You get these pieces off the ground and you move it. Millions of Americans don't know that. Millions of people around the world don't know that. You know, I'm doing stuff for the kids, and I got these dumbass adults coming up here and ruining crap. That's not going to fall apart. I know you're thinking it will, but no, it won't. It'll stay good for a long time. And then I'll add on to something. I'll take that I got to get that other swing set. I got to make another end piece. I got one long tube over there. I got one of these with the, whatever that's called, with the other swing set. I'd like to make another extension, and with a, there's some little swing horses to put on there. But, yeah, I know how to move a swing set. Millions of Americans don't. Millions around the world don't. Pick it up in the middle. Move it. Yeah, I'm mad. But anyhow, I threw another one together. And maybe tomorrow I'll go try to put all this crap together and all. But anyhow, that's where I'm at. You guys have a good one, and we'll catch you on my next video.